All right, let's talk about how to load examples into BigQuery. So as a convenience, we make it that the Explore Assistant examples can be stored in BigQuery, and we've added a Python script to make it super easy to load those examples. So this video is going to essentially show you how to do that. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come here to the Cloud Shell. We have the code checked out, and I just wanted to show you that this is a simple Python script, and opening up here the terminal to sort of show you sort of what's going on in a little bit more detail. It is trying to just load this piece of JSON, which is a list of inputs and outputs, and it's going to put it into a set of tables. So there's two JSONs that really power the Explore Assistant examples. One that helps it understand how to collapse and refine different prompts, and another one that actually gives it examples based on questions that folks are going to ask. So you have these JSONs, you want to get them into BigQuery. Well, you could just come here and do an insert command. A little bit annoying to do, and so we're just going to do that for you. So the format of these tables are exactly the same. There's an Explore ID, which is really model : Explore name, and we're going to be just loading JSON files into there. You can see here that the current contents of these are empty. So let's go back to the console, and we are going to go back to the code base that we cloned, and in particular, we're going to go to the Explore Assistant Examples folder, and really it's as easy as just grabbing this Python script call that really just tells it which model to use, which project to use, and go and copy paste that. So here I just pasted that in, and you're going to see me go ahead here and actually just use the current project name. So I'm just going to copy that and paste that in. And then for the Explore ID, I happen to know that it's e-commerce order items, so that's what I'm going to add there. And the reason we have it so that you can have multiple, each row in the database is going to have a new set of examples, and so that you could power maybe 10 explorers with the Explore Assistant, each having their own sets of examples. And just stored it in this one database. So I ran the command, it ran successfully. Oh, and lo and behold, that JSON file that was in the code base is now in BigQuery. And indeed, when we turn on the Explore Assistant, one of the first things that it does is it goes and it fetches this data and from BigQuery, and then loads it into sort of the memory of the Explore Assistant. So here you are seeing me add the second set of examples. So the first one were for the refinements, and these are sort of for the general examples. But it's exactly the same because the tables have the same format. You can just pass in a table name argument here, and it'll just put that JSON into the next folder. So same thing here. We look at the actual examples, and it worked great. We have all the JSON, so all set.